For the next few moments, we're going to talk about thermonomics, delivering energy efficiency for cooling and refrigeration systems. A brief introduction: thermonomics has been proven to save energy and extend equipment life by increasing the efficiency of heat exchange systems and reducing equipment wear. The two most important benefits of thermonomics are improved heat transfer in the evaporator and condensing coils and increased lubricity of the refrigerant oil. A brief history of thermonomics. Thermonomics was developed as a result of 20 years of research and 10 years of testing by 3 scientists with DuPont. In 1990, a U.S. patent was awarded to Charles Wilkins, Jack Hammack, and Charles Thompson. In 1999, Thermonomics was acquired by Enron Corporation, and for the next 10 years languished through the courts through all of the legal issues that Enron went through. In 2009, Thermonomics began to be reintroduced into the marketplace and emerged to what it is today. The problem with cooling systems is that they lose efficiency over time. A study published by the American Society of Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers, or ASHRAE, conclusively states that system performance degrades by as much as 30% over time. This chart illustrates that degradation. Basically, a loss of heat transfer occurs due to the buildup of contaminants on metal surfaces. These deposits impede the function of heat transfer through the coils in the condenser. This illustration shows the areas of the blue and red, the buildup that occurs through the condenser and the heat coils. The reason systems lose efficiency is due to this buildup. This buildup is gradual and can vary from 2 to 8% per year. Unfortunately, the effects of this buildup result in increased electricity usage, heat exchange inefficiency, higher air supply temperatures, increased operating times, increased operating pressures, shorter equipment life, increased maintenance cost, and of course higher utility bills. The solution is thermonomics. Thermonomics improves the efficiency of these systems and returns the operation of a unit back to what it was like when it was near new. How does thermonomics work? The science of thermonomics is that it contains an activated polar molecule. It's highly charged at one end. The charged molecule has a strong affinity for metal and coats metal surfaces in the compressor with essentially a single molecule thin layer. This layer not only increases the ability of oil to lubricate, but it also displaces the buildup of refrigerant oil in condenser and evaporator coils, thus improving heat transfer. This illustration shows what the coils in the condenser internal looks like before the thermonomics treatment. You see the buildup of oil and contaminants on the metal walls, thus impeding the flow of refrigerant and oil in the system, further minimizing the efficiency of the heat transfer process that your air conditioning and refrigeration systems go through. After the thermonomics treatment, the surface condition returns to near new condition, dislodging the contaminants and the deposits created by oil and other debris. The flow is increased, refrigerant returns to flowing very freely. In fact, it actually improves due to the lubricity factors of values of the thermonomics, and heat transfer greatly improves due to this process. Thermonomics can be used in a variety of installations. Any place that has air conditioners, heat pumps, refrigeration units, freezing equipment, both in the private and the federal sector. It can be used to treat screw-type compressors, hermetically and semi-hermetically sealed. positive displacement or reciprocating compressors, scroll compressors, and centrifugal chillers. It is not effective in absorption chillers. Thermonomics can be used to save energy, lower maintenance costs, and extend equipment life in all sizes of air conditioning and refrigeration systems. The bottom line is that Thermonomics has been installed in thousands of installations across the country. Return on investment can be less than 1 year in many situations. Thermonomics has been proven in the lab and field to save 10 to 30% on your utility costs alone when installed in equipment 5 years or greater, and it begins saving the moment that you install it. It's a simple and cost-effective and saves money immediately. It's a one-time, lifetime application. It reduces maintenance costs. Your systems will run quieter. It extends the equipment life, sometimes as much as 5 to 7 years. It will not affect your product warranty, and it's been tested by the EPA. There are incentives available for commercial owners. Commercial buildings can take tax deductions of up to 60 cents per square foot. And commercial customers may be eligible for custom energy efficiency cash rebates from their local utilities. We also offer a guarantee that Thermonomics will make your treated equipment run more efficiently, smoother, quieter, and help reduce energy consumption. We also guarantee that by installing Thermonomics to your system, that refrigerant and oil will circulate much more freely, extending the life of your equipment. If for any reason Thermonomics fails to improve the efficiency of your equipment and save you 10 to 30% on your energy costs, we'll provide you with a full and complete refund. Who's using Thermonomics? Thermonomics has been approved by the Federal Energy Management Program and is currently installed at the Pentagon and Department of Energy offices in Washington, D.C. It's in use by hundreds of companies across the USA, including Outback Steakhouses, IHOP restaurants, Raymond James, Bed Bath & Beyond. And Thermonomics is an Energy Star ally. Customers can't say enough positive things about how their equipment is now performing after being treated by Thermonomics. Thermonomics is applicable to anyone who has an air conditioning or refrigeration systems. In summary, Thermonomics is Department of Energy qualified. Tax deductions and cash rebates may be available for commercial customers. There are thousands of installations currently utilizing Thermonomics. Return on investment in many cases is less than 1 year. We guarantee to save our customers 10 to 30% or more on their current utility bills. It's a one-time application. It's simple, cost-effective, and it begins saving money immediately. And it can be used in your car, your home, your business, schools, hotels, restaurants, grocery stores, anyone that uses air conditioning and refrigeration systems.